Today I'm going to show you how to dynamically set the post title as your aria label for your links, for your read more links inside of your blog using Elementor and WordPress. So it's pretty simple. It's just a little bit of code that we need to insert into our functions file, and then we'll utilize Elementor to do the rest. So here I have a loop. This is the read more text that I need to make sure that I have the aria label set for accessibility. So the first thing that I need to do is insert a little bit of code. You can do this directly in your file manager in your host, at your host level, or you can install a little plugin here to do this right here inside of WordPress. So I just need to go into my theme file. I'm just going to edit this functions file here. And I just want to add in a little bit of code here at the bottom, and I can paste that below. I'll save and close that. Now, once I have that functions code there, what I'm essentially doing is creating the ability to use a shortcode for the post title. So the shortcode I can use is post_title. So now I need to go back to my individual post item that goes inside of my loop. I'll click on my read more. I've already got my post URL set here. So now I just need to work on my link options. So for the key value, I'll just put in aria-label. Oops. And then I'm going to use, I'm actually going to type in read more about, and then I'm going to use that shortcode that I can now use, post_title here, and then hit update. Awesome. Once I've done that, I go back to my front end here. I'll just purge my cache just to make sure. And now when let's look at, I'm going to inspect my read more. And now you can see here, I've got an aria label, read more about, and then it's got the post title in here. Hope that helps.